Setting up a Direct Attached Drobo. In this video, we will be setting up a Drobo 8D. The first thing we want to do is remove the faceplate from the front of the 8D. We want to make sure the Drobo 8D is powered off. If we take a look at the power indicator light on the front of Drobo, we can see the light is not illuminated. This is what we want. Also note, on the back of the faceplate, there is a guide to show you the meaning of each light status. This may come in handy at a later time. We are now ready to insert the drives into Drobo. When inserting the drives into Drobo, you want to make sure the drive label is facing to the right. Simply depress the gray tab and insert the drive. Now we will do the same on the second drive. We inserted the first two drives. We are now going to install the rest of the drives, then we will be right back with you. Now that the drives are inserted, put the faceplate back on Drobo. We are now ready to go to the back of the unit. First thing we will do is install the SSD drive into the back slot to enable hot data cache. You will notice an instruction sticker over the SSD slot. Remove this sticker. You will notice the SSD drive has a larger and smaller connector. You want to make sure the smaller connector is facing towards the top. Insert the SSD drive. You can see this is very easy to install. You are now ready to install the cables. We will first start with the Thunderbolt cable. As you can see, there are two Thunderbolt 3 ports on the back of Drobo, identified by the Thunderbolt symbol above each port. There are two Thunderbolt ports for daisy chaining. More information regarding daisy chaining can be found in our knowledge base articles and online user guide. Now you will insert the power cable. Power on the Drobo using the toggle switch. You will now see the toggle light illuminate green, indicating the Drobo is powered on. At this point, we recommend you download and install the Drobo dashboard from drobo.com/docs. If you take a look at the front of the Drobo, you can see the initialization process has begun. You will notice the capacity lights along the side and the drive bay lights light up and cycle through. The Drobo may also go through a couple of restarts as this process completes. You should now see the Drobo in the Drobo dashboard. Click on the Drobo icon. You will see dashboard messaging letting you know the Drobo is updating to the latest firmware version. Once the firmware is completely installed, the Drobo will go through a final reboot cycle. The drive bay lights will turn solid green and the dashboard will recognize Drobo. Click on the Drobo icon to begin the format process. This is menu driven. You will be prompted to name your Drobo. Continue to follow the steps for formatting Drobo. This will take approximately 5 minutes. You are now ready to begin using your Drobo. For additional resources, visit myproducts.drobo.com.